If you've ever opened your browser only to be bombarded with pesky Rocket Tab ads, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how to remove Rocket Tab ads manually from Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to clean up those annoying ads, but you'll also gain the confidence to keep your browser safe and speedy going forward. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is uninstall any suspicious extensions. In Chrome, you'll start by heading up to the three little dots in the top right corner. That's your main menu. Go ahead and click on that. From there, select Extensions and then choose Manage Extensions. Now, take a good look through the list that pops up. You're on the hunt for Rocket app or anything you don't remember installing, or that seems fishy. Maybe something with misspelled names or generic icons. To remove one, just hit the Remove button next to it. It's always better to err on the side of caution here. Extensions have a lot of power in your browser, and if you're not sure what something is, it's worth double-checking with a quick online search before you let it stick around. If an extension fights you, or repeatedly reinstalls itself, don't worry. We'll tackle that in later steps. Once suspicious extensions are gone, let's move to our second step, checking and removing any malicious settings. For Chrome, this is pretty straightforward. You'll need to go back to your browser menu, and this time choose Settings on. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled On Startup. Here, if you see any unfamiliar websites listed, maybe something you never set up as your home page, click those three dots next to the URL and choose Remove. This is crucial because adware like Rocket Tab often sneaks in by hijacking your home page. Next, look for the Search Engine section. Click on Manage Search Engines. Scan the list here closely. Unfamiliar or suspicious search engines, especially ones that redirect you to odd sites, should be deleted. Think of this like tidying up your office desk, clearing out old paperwork to make sure nothing hidden is cluttering up your space. And now, onto the final step, resetting your browser settings. Sometimes, even after you've removed the offenders, small changes sneak through. Settings you might never notice until your browser just doesn't feel quite right. In Chrome, you'll go to Settings again, scroll down, and click on Advanced, then find Reset and Clean Up. Here, choose Restore Settings to their original defaults and hit Reset Settings. This brings your browser back to a clean slate, just like it was when you first installed it. Don't worry, your bookmarks and saved passwords will stick around, but things like custom settings or themes will reset. If you feel nervous hitting that reset, just pause for a second and remember that it's designed not to delete your personal info, only to clear out unwanted changes. And there you have it. 3 clear steps you can use right now to remove Rocket Tab ads and reclaim your browser. If you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox, the process will be pretty similar. Look for suspicious add-ons or extensions. Clear out unwanted settings and reset your browser defaults if needed. Take your time with each step. Sometimes the process takes a few minutes, and that's perfectly okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another browser issue you'd like tackled. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. See you next time.